Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we're going to talk about daily stock market update. And let's figure out, is it bullish trap, bull trap, or bull trend? What's going on with the stock market? Okay, let's move it. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. Let's move it to VBull. VBull, if you'll... Yeah, okay, it's a green day, right? It's a green day. Asia, it was red day for Asia, but for Europe and USA, it was finally it was a bull green day and Christmas rally, looks like. Let's see. Dow Jones 1% up, S&P 1.7% up, Nasdaq 1.6% up. Green day. Nice. Let's move to VBull. Let's move to VBull. Let me tell you about my setup just before we start to do any review. I'm using moving averages. White line it's MA 200, purple line it's MA 100. Yeah, white line it's MA 200, purple line it's MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, and green line MA 5. I'm using three indicators. MACD, it's a MACD indicator. Red line, it's a signal line. Green line, it's a MACD line. Histogram for MACD. Green, it's a bullish. Red, it's a bearish. RSI, same setup. Red, it's a signal line. Green, it's a RSI line. Awesome oscillator. Red, it's a bearish. Green, it's a bullish. That's all. It's simple, but not easy because emotions involved, right? And okay, for swing trading, I'm using daily time frame and 4 hours. For intraday trading, I'm using 5 hours and 15 and 55. Sorry. For intraday, I'm using 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour time frame. And let's start from daily. Daily USA dollar. Right? USA dollar daily, bearish day, red day, minus 0.5%. It's bullish for market, right? And that's what we see. Bullish divergence, still bullish divergence, bearish day, bullish divergence on all indicators. Bullish divergence on all indicators, yeah, but still bearish trend. The last bar still below all moving averages. MA 20 did bearish crossover, yeah, on December 7, and it's a powerful bearish trend, but we'll see bars when it can close above MA 200, MA 20 and move to MA 200 direction. So far it's still bearish with bullish divergence. Bullish divergence on MACD, you see we have downtrend on the price. On the MACD we have uptrend, and also on the MACD line and histogram we have uptrend. On RSI we have uptrend. On awesome oscillator we have uptrend. Bullish divergence. Dollar wants to go bullish. It will be bearish for indexes. Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours. Similar trend, right? 4 hours. It's a bearish crossover for 4 hours. MA5 did bearish crossover. MACD did bearish crossover, and RSI did bearish crossover. And awesome oscillator also bearish for last two bars. Bearish signal on 4 hours, bearish signal on all indicators, but still has bullish divergences. Let's, yeah, the last bar below all moving averages. Let's, yeah, it's a bearish, it's a bullish for stock market, for indexes. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, it was bearish. It was bearish, but it's trying to change direction to bullish. Trying to change direction to bullish. Also later bullish, but RSI and MACD still bearish. But ready for bullish crossover. MA20 did bearish crossover. It's a bearish trend. It's a bearish trend. We need powerful move up to destroy that bearish trend. And it's a bearish, it's a bullish for indexes. Let's move to Apple. Let's move to Apple. Let's move to Apple daily. It was green day for Apple. It was green day. It connected to MA5, but still bearish. Still bearish since November 28. Still bearish since November 28. Still far from MA20. Still far from MA20, but still bearish trend for Apple. No changes on daily. It's bearish. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours, it's a different story. Last 2 bars it was green, and it wants to go bullish. It wants to go bullish. Left gap. A small gap, but it left the small gap below gap up. MACD ready for bullish crossover, RSI ready for bullish crossover, awesome oscillator already bullish. Ready bullish. Very far and below all moving averages except 5. Ready for bullish trend. Okay, let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour bullish crossover. Bullish crossover is a bullish trend. Bullish crossover on RSI, on MACD, and also oscillator. Bullish trend on 1 hour. It's a bearish for indexes, right? Okay, let's move to Qs. Let's move to Qs. Let's move to Qs. 1 hour. 1 hour. Sorry, daily. Qs daily. Let's start green day. It was green day, green bar. Last bar, it connected to MA5. MACD is still bearish. RSI is still bearish. Also oscillator still bearish on daily. No changes. Still bearish. MA20 did bearish crossover over MA50. Still bearish trend. Only positive, we are far from MA20. It always wants to connect to MA20. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours different story. MACD already did bullish crossover. The last bar closed above MA5 at 10. It's a bullish signal. MACD bullish signal, RSI bullish signal, and also oscillator bullish signal. On Qs on 4 hours we have bullish signal on all indicators. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour it's a bullish also, right? MACD bullish crossover, bullish signal, RSI bullish signal, also oscillator bullish. And last bar stopped at MA50. MA10 did bullish crossover over 20. MA5 did bullish crossover over 20, and it stopped at MA50. MA50 strong resistance. It can reject it, but we'll see. So far it stopped. I think it wants to close this gap about 270. We'll see. Bullish trend on 1 hour. Bullish trend on 1 hour and 4 hours. Okay, let's move to VXN. VXN volatility index for Nasdaq. Daily, it's a bullish. It's a bullish. It means it's a bearish for Qs. Bullish, bearish for Qs. Yeah, bullish on MACD, bullish on RSI and awesome oscillator. Bearish for Qs. 4 hours. 4 hours, still bullish. Bullish on MACD, bullish on RSI, red bearish on awesome oscillator. It's a bearish for Q. In 1 hour, 1 hour it's a bearish. It's a bullish for Qs, right? It's a bullish for Qs, bearish for MACD, RSI and awesome oscillator. Bullish for Qs. Yeah, the last bar below all moving averages. Very bullish for Qs. Let's go to SPY. SPY daily. SPY daily. Green bar. And it's connected to MA10. Now it's connected to MA5 and 10. I'm sorry. Yeah, low volume, but yeah, we know low volume because of the holiday season. So far, daily still bearish on all indicators. MACD, RSI, awesome oscillator, no changes. Daily still bearish. 4 hours. 4 hours it's already bullish. 4 hours it's already bullish on MACD, bullish on RSI, and bullish on awesome oscillator in 4 hours. Bullish on all indexes. I'm sorry, on all indicators. Bullish on all indicators. On 4 hours, let's move to 1 hour for SPY. 1 hour for SPY, it's a bullish. Bullish on MACD, bullish on RSI, and awesome oscillator, and moving averages. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, 250. It's a bullish trend. Bullish trend. We have 1, 2, 3 gaps about the current state. We'll see if it can go and close all 3 gaps about the current state, or it will try to go back and close the gap below that it left. It just recently left it. That's the possibility. It can go and close the gap below current state, or it can continue, go up and close all 3 gaps above. Let's move to VIX, volatility index for SPY. Daily. Daily, it's still bullish. Bullish on all indicators. It's a bearish for SPY. 4 hours. 4 hours, it's kind of flat. Yeah, awesome oscillator bearish. RSI flat. MACD flat. Moving averages flat. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour should be bearish. Yeah, 1 hour it's a bearish, right? MACD, bearish divergence. RSI, bearish divergence. And also oscillator, bearish divergence. Yeah, bearish divergence on all indicators. And MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. Bearish trend. It's a bullish for SPY. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily. Dow Jones daily still bearish. It touched MACD histogram 0 line. Still bearish on MACD, bearish on RSI, bearish on awesome oscillator on daily, but MA5 did bullish crossover. Look, it looks like it's, do you see, it's like for last several days it stopped at the MA50. MA50 did bullish crossover. We call it's a golden bullish crossover. Golden bullish crossover, and it stopped at the MA50. Let's see if it can, market can do bearish crossover over MA50. So far, it couldn't. So far, it couldn't. Still bearish trend on Dow Jones on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, MACD already bullish. On MACD already bullish. On MA, on moving averages. Yeah, it's still bullish. MA5 above MA10, 20, 100, 200. It's actually last bar above all moving averages except 50. Above all moving averages except 50. It looks like it stopped at MA 100. 100 is kind of support now. Look at it. It's a for several bars. It sits at the MA 100. But MA 20 already did bearish crossover. It's a bearish trend. Because remember, yeah, MA 20 is a very powerful line. MA 200, MA 20. I have some shorts, you can watch it. About I have videos also about that MA 20, about MA 200 trend and pattern, how it works. That's what we have. Yeah, it's kind of bullish. MA 20 did bearish crossover. On the MACD we are bullish. On RSI kind of flat, but also later bullish. But on MACD we have bullish crossover, but it's still in the bearish zone below zero line in the histogram. This zone is bearish. This one is bullish about the zero line. Okay, 4 hours it's a bullish. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour it's bullish also, right? Let me maximize it. MACD bullish crossover. RSI bullish crossover. Awesome oscillator bullish. All bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover over 50, 10 and 20. It's a bullish trend. It's a bullish trend. It left one small gap below and it still has large gap above. Let's see what it can do. Let's see, is it bull trap or it's a bull trend Let's see. So far it's a bull signal. Bull signal on 1 hour. Bull signal on 1 hour and bull signal on 4 hours. That's what we have. We need only daily to change to bull, and it will be full bull confirmation on all time frames, on all short time frames, small time frames. Okay, bullish trend for Dow. Let's go to VXD, volatility index for Dow. Okay, it's kind of bullish trend. Bullish crossover on MACD, bullish crossover on RSI, bullish signal on awesome oscillator. On daily it's a bullish, it means bearish for Dow. Bearish for Dow, right? Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, bullish trend on MACD, bullish on RSI, bullish on awesome oscillator. On 4 hours, it's a bearish for Dow. Kind of divergence, right, between volatility index and Dow Jones. And let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour it's a bearish. Yeah, 1 hour it's a bearish crossover on 1 hour, and on RSI, MACD, and moving averages, it's a bullish for Dow on 1 hour. That's what we have. Let's move to IWM. IWM. IWM daily. Green bar, green green day, but still, yeah, it closed above MA 5 and 10, MA 20 in the bearish direction. Actually, MA 200 also in the bearish direction. MACD still bearish with some bullish divergence, right? RSI still bearish, and awesome oscillator still bearish. Let's move to 4 hours for IWM for Russell 2000. Russell 2000, 4 hours, it's a bullish. MACD did bullish crossover, RSI did bullish crossover, awesome oscillator bullish. And last bar closed above May 5, 10 and 20. Bullish signal. It's a bullish signal on 4 hours. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour bullish signal on MACD. On the May 5, on the moving averages also, May 5 did bullish crossover over 10, 20 and 50. It's a bullish signal, bullish trend. RSI bullish, MACD bullish, and awesome oscillator bullish. Okay, let's do summary. Is it bull trap or bull trend? So far, on the short time frames, like 1 hour and 4 hours, it looks like it's a bullish trend, because we see on 1 hour and 4 hours we have bullish signals on all indicators. Same for Dow, 4 hours and 1 hour bullish signal for all indicators. For daily, it's still bearish. Same for SPY. Let's see, 1 hour bullish, 4 hours bullish. Same for Qs, 4 hours bullish crossover and 1 hour bullish trend. Bullish trend for 1 hour and 1 hour and 4 hours. Looks like market wants to change direction to bullish. It's a bullish for 1 hour and 4 hours. Only bearish for daily. Only bearish on daily time frame. Look at that. Q still bearish. SPY on daily still bearish. Dow still bearish on daily. And IWM still bearish on daily. Looks like market is changing direction to bullish trend. Okay, that's all for me. And if you like this simple trading style channel, please go to the description, and there are several links about all my trainings. And subscribe for the channel. You will learn from my daily update. I do teach every day about my trend. It's so simple, but you have to train your emotions, control your emotions, and you will be successful. From technical side, it's very easy, very simple. Not easy, but simple. But from emotional side, it's always complicated, always difficult. But it's possible and it's doable. Okay, let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Thank you for watching simple trading style video, and I do publish updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. Also subscribe for Telegram and Discord community to get all updates from my end. Thank you so much and good luck. Happy holidays. Bye now.